Okay, this next screencast will overview the assignments button. The assignments button is going to be a very important button for you. I would actually advise that you start most of your work by clicking here. Let's imagine that we are in week 1, module 1 of our class. We would simply click on the assignments button, and then it would open the module 1 folder. We would click on the module 1 folder, and underneath that module 1 folder there are going to be several packet folders. Each of these packets are the different assignments, lessons, etc. that need to be learned over the course of that module. So for instance, if we're in our first week, we would start with the Syllabus Overview. If we click on the Syllabus Overview, it's going to give us a step-by-step guide with links telling us how we will accomplish all of the necessary tasks. For instance, the first thing we need to do is make sure that we've read the welcome letter. We can do this by, 1, reading the welcome letter, getting acquainted with the Blackboard buttons, and making appropriate notes. This will actually link us to the welcome letter for the course. And there it is, the welcome letter. We could download that and read that. Of course, most of us have probably already downloaded the Communication 101 workbook, and we will also find that it is the first document in that workbook. We can also use the back button to go back to our different assignments. If we finished the welcome letter, then we would read the syllabus. The syllabus link will lead us right to the syllabus. We would click on that and download it. Once again, though, hopefully you have actually printed out a color, two-sided, hole-punched copy of that workbook, and you will see that it's the second document. This is how you use the assignments button. Once you've finished up the syllabus, you would go to your group greet. Your group greet is going to tell you exactly what needs to be accomplished, that you would need to download the discussion board document, which is also in your workbook, study it, and make sure that you're participating correctly. Then once you feel comfortable, you would simply link to your discussion board. It's going to lead you to the group discussion page. You would select your appropriate group, and then once you've gotten to your appropriate group, you would go to your group discussion board, and inside of your group discussion board, you would select the appropriate forum for that week. In this case, it would be the group greet. We would simply go into the group greet, follow the directions, and make sure that we complete our participation in that week's discussion as outlined by the discussion board and the discussion board rubric. And this concludes a brief overview of the assignments button in your Blackboard shell.